shed. Look at that pipe. We got a well up here on the
fly was down.
My dad's here from California.
Yeah.
He came here thinking that my car would be done. It's not done. Ramos, what are we doing? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. 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 Excuse me, sir. What are we doing, sir?
We are checking the 3-rotor for exhaust leaks.
So yesterday we came back here, we were starting the 3-rotor, Ryan's in town, so we're trying to get it running, trying to get it on the dyno. We did all this stuff to get it on the dyno. Ramos had a huge mess back here, and we had some exhaust leaks. We had 3 that we found. We had 1 from the wastegate and 2 coming from the turbo manifold. Ramos also had brake cleaner all over the place, on the floor and everything. It was slick. Hey, well, hold on. Do you want me to start? You can just check. Okay. Fan just kicked on. She's alive. Checking for exhaust leaks down there by the manifold. Hopefully Ramos did his job instead of being lazy, and this car should just idle on its own, so we'll see what happens. Let it charge, baby. Is it on? Is it on, Ramos?
Turned off.
Come on, dude. Yeah, I remember my first day using a jump box. Over here with Kelton. Kelton's getting his hands dirty now. He's upgraded from just regular intern to working intern. We're not sure if he knows what he's doing. You know what you're doing? And then also today's Wednesday, so you guys know what that means.
Hey, buddy.
My dad's here from California.
Yeah.
He came here thinking that my car would be done. It's not done.
No, I knew it wouldn't. It's not 7th day in our generation. It's 7th day next year.
Yep.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, and then we got Will.
Captain Will.
Yeah, Captain Will. You okay, buddy?
Yeah, man.
Okay. How you doing today? What are you working on today?
Good.
Visualizing some artistic shit.
Okay. Like together?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Keep PG.
We're
Head.
always
Unite.
moving forward,
Yeah.
looking for the next step.
Foreshadowing. I'm filming videos for my stuff and the shop today. So today's Wednesday, so we're staying late tonight. Matt powder coated everything, and at first I was kind of hesitant, wasn't sure, but it's perfect. It's fucking mint. And then we also have the 3 rotor running. It's getting ready to get on the dyno because Ryan's here, so he's actually going to tune it in person. So, and this thing sounds absolutely nasty. That red one that I showed before was just a street pour. This is a semi, so it's insane.
Yeah, I can't even get 2 fingers like this.
Yeah.
underneath
No,
it.
I was just gonna loosen these and
Well, I
bring
think
it up.
it's just
right now.
tightened in there right now.
That's all right.
They're worried about the fans being too low because it's low. She's dragging ass.
Tail of the dragon ass. Oh, I had the wrong shirt on. Damn it.
Water pump. I was like, why is it still flowing water?
Guess he forgot to torque the wheels.
Nice.
Okay, this is pretty fucking insane. This 3 rotor just made 492. What is this? 492 on 11 pounds of boost. That's insane. That's doing what like some of the 2 rotors are doing at 20 some odd pounds of boost. That's crazy. Huh? 2 rotors are doing like 20 some odd pounds of boost to get up here.
Yeah.
That's insane. That's insane. So. So tonight we are finishing up the center console for the trans. Not really much of a planned video, I guess. More of just like a general update and like what's going on. Something like. And Skeeter decided to teach me how to MIG weld. I've never MIG welded before. I've played around with it here at the shop, but I've never like actually like MIG welded. So he's been teaching me. I did pretty good earlier. This is Carl's art, you know. It's, you know, everything. It's not terrible. And holy
We got Will up here
Oh,
on the
my fly
one.
was down.
Wow, he really thinks he's so goddamn funny. We're back again tonight working on the car. Yeah. Huh? No, I love this car. It's gonna get done very soon because we pushed the finish date up from July 30th to July 16th. That's in like 2 weeks, so yeah. Skeeter's over here. Yeah, it could be started in 10 days, but.
So you staying late tomorrow?
Yeah, we're back working on the car. Skeeter's over here sitting here eating like a fat ass, but you know, we won't talk about that. And Will is over here trying to figure out this exhaust because, yeah, damn, there's a lot of welding in this. Will, how much time are you gonna? How much time you estimate, Dad?
Realistically?
Realistically, it'll probably take about 2 days to weld this out. So basically, what that? Oh, you know what? We haven't put the V-bands in. So yeah, basically, it's a lot of welding. And you know, it's gonna be a lot more if we just keep forgetting shit. So give you guys what's going on. We got this pipe here, goes all the way back. Little zigzag action, come over here, and then out. We have another section that Will's cutting right now that is just like it's a straight, hold on. It's a straight all the way up to about here, and then we got some pie cuts, and it matches up right there. Man, it looks so good. It's insane. But as you guys saw the other night, we were working on the exhaust and we were trying to figure it out, but Will came in the next morning and was able to figure it out. Instead of it coming down and more like a 45. Okay, so instead of having it come down and be more of like a sharper turn, Will was able to open it up and now it's more of like 120 opposed to like, I think it was sitting at like a 45-ish or something like that. It came down and it was just kind of like a, but instead now it kind of comes down and rolls in, so that's pretty sick. He has all the parts over here, so he's gonna tag everything up and we're gonna throw it up under the car, see how it all fits, and then we'll go from there. But what I'm gonna do now, it's in the morning, but what I'm gonna do is, I am going to, I have the body sealer, it's here somewhere, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around, seal the bottom, the side, the back, pretty much seal anything that I can because we don't want anything getting in. Even though it is welded, it doesn't mean that it's sealed the entire way around. So using the body sealer, we'll be able to just seal it up, and it'll give us a clean look. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. All right, got one side kind of done, seamed up. I have to do back there. I think I'll do that from under the car. I still have to do the top over here, so I'll take this piece up again and I'll do that. And once I do the other side, so whenever I do the other side, I'll do I'll do the top of it. But bottom's not, I mean, not my best work, but I did cut that really, I cut that hole really big, so we got gobs. So yeah, but other than that, I'll let this seal, and then I'll come back, check it out, see what I think I need to change or what I shouldn't. Probably shine a light from the bottom, see if there's any holes, and then yeah,